Lily, you shouldn't take money like this.
Oh!
Mom, please listen. I didn't break it, I just arrived here. Lily, what did you do to this shirt?
Hey, Lily! Will you play this game with me?
Yes, I will play.
But listen, I'm telling you now, I'm gonna win. We'll see.
See, Lily? You have to be fast. I think it's better to go slowly. It's already shaking.
You're playing too safe.
I just don't want it to fall.
If you play like this, Lily, you will lose. That's okay. I'm not in a hurry, Nora. Nora, that one's not safe. No, Lily, it's fine. I know.
Oh, it fell.
So, I won? It fell on your turn, Nora. What? No! How did you win? That's not fair, Lily! You distracted me!
No, Nora, I didn't. I was just helping. It's okay. If you want, we can play again. You didn't win. I just made a mistake.
Okay. So, Lily, you think you won? Now I'll make you upset? Let's see what happens to you next.
No one's here.
Perfect.
Wait, where's the money? Sara, can you come here for a second?
What happened, David?
The money is missing. Did you take it?
No, I didn't. If I took it, I would tell you.
Then who took it?
I'll ask the kids. Nora? Lily? Come here.
Listen carefully. Money is missing from my wallet. Did either of you take it?
No, Dad, I didn't take anything. No, I didn't take it. Wait, I think I saw Lily near your room earlier. What? No, I wasn't there.
Lily, you shouldn't take money like this. If you needed something, you could have asked me.
Dad, I didn't take anything.
Lily, why did you take the money? Mom, I didn't take it. Please believe me.
Lily,
We will talk later.
this is not acceptable.
Why did you say that? Why did you lie? I didn't lie. I thought I saw you there.
No, Nora, I wasn't there. Oh, then maybe I was wrong.
Maybe I just imagined it. Sorry, Lily.
This will work even better. Oh no! What just happened? What happened here? How did the vase break?
What is going on here? Who broke this vase? Lily broke it. I saw her knock it down.
What? No! I just came here. I didn't touch it.
Lily, this is getting out of hand now.
Mom, please listen. I didn't break it. I just arrived here. I saw it happen. She hit the table.
Enough, Lily. I don't want excuses again.
You should be more careful next time. Why are you doing this to me, Nora?
Lily, go bring your dad's white shirt from the room.
Okay, Mom. I'll bring it right now.
Let's see how you explain this one. Why is this shirt stained like this? Lily, what did you do to this shirt?
I didn't do anything. It was already like this when I picked it.
Lily, this is getting worse. First money, now this?
Mom, please trust me. I didn't ruin the shirt.
Enough. I don't want to hear excuses anymore. Now they'll never believe you.
Oh no, it broke. It was not my fault. It just slipped.
Listen carefully, Lily. You will take the blame for this.
No, I didn't do anything.
If you don't take the blame, I will break something else. And I will put that blame on you too. Like before.
Like before? What do you mean? Was it you all this time?
Are you taking the blame or not? If you don't, I will break something else.
Okay, I will take the blame. But please, don't break anything else.
Good. Wait, what did she just say? So, it was Nora all along. She is blaming Lily for everything. What happened here? Who broke this? Lily broke it.
Yes, I broke it. It was my mistake.
Lily, we'll talk about this later. Be careful next time. David, I need to tell you something important about Nora and Lily.
What happened? You look really concerned.
I saw everything today. Nora has been blaming Lily for things she did.
What are you saying? Are you sure about this?
I heard them in the room. Nora forced Lily to take the blame.
So the money, the vase, the shirt, all of it was Nora?
Yes. She planned everything just to make Lily look guilty.
We kept blaming Lily, and she was telling the truth.
She kept defending herself, but we didn't listen.
I understand now. We need to handle this carefully.
Yes, you're right. We need to handle this carefully. What happened? Why are you in my room?
Mom and Dad are calling you.
Why? I don't know. They just told me to bring you.
Nora, listen carefully. Whatever I ask, you will answer honestly. No lies.
Okay, Dad.
The missing money, did you take it?
No.
Don't lie. Tell the truth.
Yes, I took it.
The vase in the hallway, did you break it?
No, I didn't break it.
Nora, I said no lies. Tell me the truth.
Yes, I broke it.
And you blamed Lily for it?
Yes.
The shirt damage, was that also you?
Yes.
Why did you do all this?
Because I lost the game. I couldn't accept that Lily won.
Nora, this is not a game.
You hurt your sister because of your ego. As a punishment, you won't get any pocket money for a week, and you won't receive any gifts.
What? I can't stay without money for that long.
Please, don't punish her too much. It's okay. I forgive you, Nora.
Even after everything, you are forgiving her.
You have a very kind heart, Lily.
See, Nora? Your sister still chose kindness. Because Lily forgave you.
We will reduce your punishment. But this must never happen again.
I'm sorry, Lily. It's okay. I forgive you. I won't do it again.
Good. This is what we wanted.
Learn from this mistake, Nora.
Trust is hard to rebuild. Don't break it again.
If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to the channel for more stories.
Don't forget to hit the like button.